Hi everyone. Congratulations, you've selected morning meeting. So obviously the first thing you did was open up video introduction because you're watching me. But the next thing you do is open up the document. All right, so morning meeting. This group's job is to share our expertise, our passions, and or just demonstrate courage and leadership. This can happen through an entire morning meeting, morning work, so the first 5 that you guys do while we take attendance, or even creating weekly activities and advisory. So the next thing you do is generate ideas. So if you scroll down, you have this kind of graphic organizer here. The first thing you do is write a brief overview of your idea, and then Mr. Weatherall and I will leave comment feedback on if and how we move forward. So keep in mind, especially with morning meetings, everything has to be approved even above us. Okay, so like more important people tell us if this is something we can do. You would put the date here, your name or the person who is in charge. So this is just the student who can make final decisions or changes. And then the team members of people who are going to help you, especially with morning meeting or morning work or something like that. Sometimes you may not even have a team member. Okay. It can be you and one other person. It could be you on your own. It could even be you paired with a teacher partner to just help support. But yeah, so I mean, some of you guys have done morning meetings before, but this is a really great opportunity because honestly, in eSchool especially, there's a good chance that you can pre-record that morning meeting so that it's already done and you don't have to be nervous knowing that you're talking in front of a ton of people. You can just record it, just you and maybe a teacher support, and that'll be it. So good luck, get those ideas moving, and if you have any questions at all, please let us know. You got this.